Hello everybody, Penny Stock Whispers here doing a stock chart video analysis of TNEN, that's the True North Energy Corporation. Our last trading day was Friday, September 5th. We saw a previous close of 0.0016. We closed up last at 0.0016 as well, so we had no change on the day. However, we did see a low of 0.0015 when we closed. We did see a high of 0.0017, closing up with volume of 14,482,851. Really strong trading day, love that. All in all, TNEN is looking really good. We got a lot of strong bullish indicators, some great action down on our daily charts, as well as some big accumulation. So I want to go through these indicators with you and let you know about a couple of them. Our 14-day RSI is first on my list. It's at 53.14. This is a great place to be. Between the 70 and 50 is a good buy zone here. And furthermore, we have been seeing these higher lows, definition of an uptrend. We've been gaining strength here on our 14-day RSI, and that's always a good thing to see. Down here on our daily charts, everything's looking good as well. You can see we have a lot of our moving averages that are all kind of clustered together right here. We closed above at least 2 or 3 of them, and that's always a good thing to see. We did have our 12-day EMA. We closed above that. We also did cross above our 26-day EMA as well. We did come up really close to that 50-day moving average on Monday. I think that's going to be the number to beat, crossing above that. And switching above that's going to cause us to be that to become our support line here, and we have really nothing stopping us once we get there. We do have some resistance right here, right where we're at right now at that 0.0016 between that around and the 50-day moving average at 0.02. So those are going to be our big resistance, but crossing above that on Monday shouldn't be too bad. I think after that we do have some resistance again, maybe here at 0.0022 and possibly again at 0.0033. So keep your eyes on that. Support-wise, we do have some strong support down here at the 0.0014, as well as those moving averages right there, that 12-day and the 26-day EMA. So everything's looking good down here on our daily charts. Everything's looking strong here. I think we also do have this big channel here. Let me get rid of some of these lines for us. You can see our Bollinger Bands, this upper and bottom green line here, are really pinched together, and that's going to be forming a nice channel here. We've been trading horizontally across that for a while too, so we got a lot of pent-up energy ready to break out, make some big moves. Down here on our MACD line, you can see it is starting to tip up as well, so that's always a strong indicator. Same idea with this too. We have been pinched up really close with that signal line, and we have been moving up slowly towards that center line. So I'd like to see us make a big move off of this and finally break out and get some of that pent-up energy to just explode out of there. 15-day tricks is one of my favorites, and it's looking really good. We do have a strong tip up here, big change in direction. That's always a good indicator to see. That's always a strong bullish sign as well. Down here on our 30-day tricks, if you're more of a long-term trader, you can see that we have had something very similar happen. We crossed above that signal line, which is a strong buy indicator, and we have been moving up since then. Moving up consistently towards that zero line, always a good thing to see. Slow stochastics looking good. We did cross above our signal line. We're at 74.44 and continuing to climb here. Higher lows as well. We have been uptrending on this for some time. You can see that we have been probably since around June rather. We've been moving up towards where we're at now, so I really like that one as well. CCI looking good at 163.12. We're above that 100, very bullish, and looking strong there. Stochastic RSI is looking even better. We are maxed out currently at 1, but we like to take our 14-day moving average as the number that we actually read, since the stochastic RSI is so volatile. So the 14-day moving average is at 0.76, continuing to climb up. This is always a good thing to see. We are right between that 8 and that 5, which is also a good buy indicator as well, good buy zone, and continuing to move up on that. So keep your eyes on that. The Chaikin money flow looking fantastic. We haven't been underneath that zero at all in the last year, so that's always a good thing to see. We are coming down right now, consolidating down to 0.559. I like to see this bounce up again. Shouldn't be too hard, and we got a lot of room to go there before we need to be concerned about our Chaikin money flow. This is a very strong market. This stock has just been trading very strongly, so that's always a good thing to see. ADX line looking good as well. We do have the signal of an uptrend here, a positive DI crossed above our negative DI here, so when that's above, that's letting us know that we are in an uptrend. However, our 14-day ADX is only at 14.98. This isn't entirely relevant yet, but we have stopped our decline, and it looks like we're going to start moving up here soon. So as we gain strength on this ADX line, it's really going to solidify that position of an uptrend that it's telling us. So PVO is next. We're looking good here. We are coming down from a nice high there, but we are tipped upwards again, moving up towards that signal line. I'd like to see a crossover on that. Would be very bullish. Like everything else on this chart, we do have this strong uptrend forming here where we have just had consistent higher lows, and that's always a good thing to see. So moving on from that, we're at the money flow index, and this one's looking great as well. It's at 81.31. Very strong. uptrends on this one as well, closing above that 80 line is a very big bullish indicator. Accumulation distribution looking good as well. We are been escalating upwards for this entire year, so it's always a good thing to see. We have great investors forming a good foundation on this, and it looks like we're going to be we've been getting these higher levels here. We just get like big blocks, and you can see that on our charts, on our dailies, where you can see just the big green days, the big green trading days here, where you can see the increases in volume are also really reflected on our accumulation distribution. So just a good thing to see. We got a lot of accumulation here. Everything's looking great. TNEN, keep it on your stock watch lists. And thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I'd love to take a look at them and help you out if I can. If you want more information about TNEN or any of our other charts, you can head on over to pennystockwhispers.com, punch in your email address, and we'll be happy to send you over anything else that we got. And if you're on the go, you can always go to the Android at the Google Play Store and punch in Penny Stock Whispers and get the mobile app. And just for the record, we do have a brand new app out. It's for the iTunes, from the iTunes Store for your Apple devices. It's great. It's got everything you need. It's got the Market Watch. It's got our Twitter, YouTube, featured stocks, subscribe list, and everything else you could possibly need while you're on the go. So check this out if you've got an Apple, and if you don't, you can head on over and get the one for Android. Once again, thank you guys for watching. It's been great. I'll talk to you soon.